This is the easy way to play Livin Thing by Electric Light Orchestra.
Higher and higher, baby. It's a living thing.
There are 3 parts to learn, so let's get straight into it. Play the C7 chord, and you're just going to rumble over it, all mysterious, and go to a B flat minor 7 chord like this. And I'm literally just rolling through all the notes randomly as I feel, to an F major chord like this. And then we're going to go G major to a C major, and then just move that top note to C sus, back to C, and then finishing on G. Part 2, go back to that C major chord, to an A minor chord, move everything down to an A flat chord, and just move the left hand F minor 7, then move everything down to the left 1 to an E minor 7, to a D minor 7, and swap between these 2 chords. E minor 7 again, D minor 7, up to E minor 7 again, and here we go building up to an F major, and then a G major. Moving on to part 3, C major chord again, A minor chord again, this F major chord, into a D minor 7, and here's our funky chord, G7 sharp 5, and finishing on a C. If you can play those 3 parts, you can actually play the entire song. Let me show you how.
Sailing away on the crest of a wave, it's like magic. Oh, rolling and riding, slipping and sliding, it's magic. And you and your sweet desire, you took me, oh, higher and higher, baby. It's a living thing. It's a terrible thing to lose. It's a given thing. What a terrible thing to lose.